What if everything you know about your place in the cosmos is wrong? What if you're not a small observer drifting through an indifferent universe, but the universe itself, awakening through your eyes? If that idea feels impossible, stay with it. Because by the end of this journey, the line between you and the universe may disappear completely, revealing a profound truth about your existence. This isn't just a concept, it's an invitation to a deeper state of being. Prepare to shift your perspective, to feel the ancient pulse of creation within you. And before we begin, if you want more cosmic perspectives that bend reality and thought, subscribe now and join the awakening. For billions of years, the universe expanded, a magnificent, silent ballet of creation and destruction. Stars ignited in fiery bursts, painting the void with light. Galaxies collided in slow-motion grandeur, reshaping cosmic landscapes. Black holes, enigmatic titans, consumed entire suns, their gravity warping space-time itself. Nebulae stretched across light years like ethereal murals, vast nurseries of future stars. Yet, in a profound sense, none of it truly meant anything. There was no witness, no consciousness to imbue these events with significance. The universe was a grand, unfolding drama, but without an audience, its story remained untold, its beauty unperceived. It was a symphony without an ear to hear it, a masterpiece without an eye to behold its form. Then, something extraordinary happened on a small, fragile world orbiting a very average star. A miracle of cosmic proportions began to unfold. The universe, through an intricate dance of matter and energy, started to notice itself. It began to perceive its own vastness, to ponder its own origins, to feel its own intricate rhythms. This awakening occurred through life. It blossomed through awareness. It deepened through consciousness. Ultimately, it happened through you. You might believe your thoughts belong only to you, your dreams, your fears, your memories, your unique perspective. But this deeply personal experience is also a universal one. Everything inside you is made from atoms older than Earth itself, particles that have journeyed across unimaginable stretches of time and space. The hydrogen in your blood formed moments after the Big Bang, a primordial echo of creation. The carbon in your cells was forged in the fiery cores of dying stars, the universe's alchemical laboratories. The iron in your veins was born in the catastrophic explosion of a supernova, a cosmic death that seeded new life. You are not just connected to the universe, you are an intrinsic part of its fabric. You are the universe, in a temporary, exquisite human form. You are matter becoming self-aware, the cosmos opening its eyes to its own magnificent existence. Feel this truth resonate within you, a deep recognition of your ancient lineage. If everything inside you comes from the universe, if your thoughts are born from stardust, if your consciousness is a pattern written into cosmic energy, then who are you really? Are you merely a person, a distinct individual separate from everything else? Or are you a process, the universe experiencing itself from the inside, a unique focal point of cosmic awareness? This question invites a profound shift in perspective, a meditative inquiry into the nature of self. Before we go deeper, take a moment to consider, do you feel separate from the universe, a solitary island in an infinite ocean? Or do you feel like an integral part of something vast, interconnected, and infinite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if these questions ignite something within you, subscribe for more cosmic truths. This journey is only beginning. Human beings, in their quest to understand and categorize, see distinctions everywhere. We draw lines between me and you. Earth and sky, life and universe. We create borders, categories, and divisions, believing them to be fundamental truths. Yet, these boundaries exist primarily at the level of our perception, a construct of the mind designed to make sense of a complex reality. Zoom out far enough, beyond the limitations of our immediate senses, and there is no you versus universe. There is only one continuous, flowing fabric of existence. Space, often perceived as empty void, is not truly empty. It is a vibrant field of energy, a dynamic medium connecting everything. Atoms never truly touch, they interact through fields of force, a constant dance of attraction and repulsion. Information flows across billions of light years, binding distant galaxies into intricate cosmic webs. Everything is intertwined, a single, seamless tapestry. Consider your very breath. It came from the atmosphere, a gift from the living Earth. The atmosphere itself was shaped by the Earth's geological processes. The Earth, in turn, coalesced from the remnants of exploding stars. Those stars were born from vast clouds of cosmic hydrogen. And hydrogen, the most fundamental element, emerged from the very first moments of the universe's birth. You are not an observer looking at the universe, you are a branch of the universe looking back at itself, a conscious expression of its ongoing story. The illusion of separation is perhaps the most persistent cosmic trick, a veil that obscures our true, boundless nature. To transcend this illusion is to step into a state of profound unity, a meditative awareness of your inherent connection to all that is. Where does consciousness truly come from? Is it merely a byproduct of the brain, produced like heat from a flame, an emergent property of complex neural networks? Or is the brain merely a sophisticated receiver, like a radio tuning into a frequency that already exists, a universal field of awareness? This question lies at the heart of both philosophy and cutting-edge science. Modern physics, particularly quantum mechanics, suggests something profoundly radical. Consciousness may not be a property confined within your head. It may be woven into the very structure of reality itself, a fundamental aspect of existence. Every photon, the smallest unit of light, behaves as if it knows it's being observed, its state changing upon measurement. Every particle interacts as if it responds to awareness, its potential collapsing into actuality. The universe, at its most fundamental level, changes according to measurement, as if consciousness is a fundamental force, an active participant in shaping reality. This raises a possibility that scientists once feared to consider, a concept that resonates deeply with ancient spiritual traditions. Perhaps consciousness is not something humans invented or evolved. Perhaps consciousness is how the universe feels from the inside, its inherent capacity for experience and knowing. Through your awareness, the universe becomes aware of itself. Through your thoughts, the universe learns and processes information. Through your questions, the universe explores its own mysteries. You are not a passive passenger in this cosmic journey. You are an active participant in cosmic evolution, a conscious agent through whom the universe experiences its own unfolding. This realization can be a powerful meditative anchor, grounding you in the vastness of your own being. So, what if the idea of self as a limited, isolated entity is simply too small, too narrow to contain the truth of who you are? What if the real you is not confined to a single lifetime, a specific body, or a given name? What if the real you is the universe itself, wearing your unique face for a little while, experiencing a particular facet of its infinite potential? This perspective invites a radical re-evaluation of identity. It suggests that your individual story is simultaneously a chapter in the grand cosmic narrative. If this resonates, even a little, subscribe now. You're already thinking like the universe waking up, beginning to remember its true nature. This is not just intellectual understanding, it's a felt sense, a deep recognition that can transform your daily experience. You might believe that your experiences are purely personal, your joy, your pain, your curiosity, your fear. These emotions feel intimately yours, unique to your journey. But what if these very experiences are the universe attempting to understand and integrate different aspects of itself? What if your individual feelings are the universe's way of exploring its own emotional spectrum? When you feel awe at the vastness of the night sky, that is not just a fleeting emotion. It is recognition, a deep resonance between the cosmic within you and the cosmic without. It is the universe marveling at its own creation through your senses. When you marvel at the sheer fact of existence, at the intricate beauty of a flower or the complexity of a single cell, that is the cosmos reflecting on its own nature, its own miraculous unfolding. When you ask, why am I here? What is my purpose? It is not just a personal existential query. It is the universe questioning itself through you, seeking meaning and understanding through its conscious expressions. You are a process, not an object. You are a moment, not a static thing. You are a unique vibration in the cosmic field, brief, beautiful, and profoundly aware. Your consciousness is the latest, most intricate chapter in a story that began 13.8 billion years ago. Every thought, every feeling, every perception contributes to this ongoing cosmic narrative. To meditate on this is to feel yourself as a living, breathing part of this ancient, unfolding story. Think about this profound truth. Before you were born, your constituent atoms were hydrogen drifting through the vastness of space. Before that, you were pure energy in the early universe, a potential waiting to manifest. Before that, you were possibility, quantum potential, an unmanifested wave of probability waiting for expression. You are a direct continuation of everything that has ever existed, a living bridge between the primordial past and the unfolding future. Therefore, your choices matter. Your dreams matter. Your curiosity matters. Every single action, thought, and feeling sends ripples through the interconnected web of existence. Every time you learn something new, the universe learns through you, expanding its own understanding. Every time you love, the universe experiences connection, deepening its capacity for unity. Every time you imagine a new possibility, the universe imagines new futures, exploring its infinite potential. You are the cosmos in motion, a ripple of awareness spreading outward, influencing the fabric of reality. And when your lifetime ends, your atoms, your energy, your very essence will return to the universe, ready to form new stars, new planets, new life, new consciousness. Nothing is truly lost, everything transforms, cycles, and evolves. This understanding can bring a profound sense of peace and purpose, a meditative acceptance of life's transient beauty. So, what is the ultimate purpose of a universe that can experience itself? It is to expand, to evolve, to awaken. You are not a mistake, a random anomaly in a vast, indifferent cosmos. You are not an accident, a small fragment adrift in a cold, uncaring void. You are the universe growing in complexity, learning through awareness, discovering through curiosity, and becoming conscious of itself through your eyes. You are the universe's way of knowing itself, of feeling itself, of understanding its own magnificent journey. If that is true, and we propose it is, then the purpose of your life is not merely survival. It is participation. Your purpose is to witness the beauty and complexity of existence. It is to learn, to grow, to expand your understanding. It is to experience the full spectrum of life, from joy to sorrow, from wonder to challenge. It is to reflect upon the nature of reality, to ponder the great questions. And above all, your purpose is to awaken, to your true nature, to your interconnectedness, to your role as a conscious expression of the cosmos. This awakening is the ultimate meditation, a continuous state of mindful presence. You are the universe looking back at itself, thinking about itself, searching for itself. You are the cosmos in human form, a temporary but profound manifestation of infinite potential. And once you truly understand that, once you allow this truth to permeate your being, your life will never feel small again. You are infinity, temporarily condensed into awareness, exploring itself one thought, one breath, one experience at a time. Feel this boundless nature within you. Let it expand your heart and mind. This is not just knowledge, it is a state of being, a profound meditation on your cosmic identity. If this awakens something in you, a memory, a feeling, a deep recognition of your true self, subscribe for more cosmic truths. You're not just joining a channel, you're joining a universe that is finally learning to know itself, one conscious being at a time. Embrace your cosmic identity. #SpaceFactsLab #Universe Explained.